to school na naman. Oh no! Wala pa rin computer si Bunso. Si Mami kaya, wala pa rin laptop. Paano naman si Daddy para sa kanyang workspace setup? Additional, gaming monitor. Kaya lang, kulang ang pangcash. Good news mga katititi! Alam mo ba na maaari mo nang makuha yan ng sabay-sabay? Yes, kaya mo na. Dahil kay Home Credit, pwede nang mag-bundle up to 3 items. At hindi lang yan. Kahit new customer ka, maaari ka nang mag-load from 10,000 to 80,000. Paano naman yung mga suki na natin kay Home Credit? Siyempre, maaari kang mag-loan from 10,000 up to 120,000 with flexible terms from 6 months up to 24 months. At hindi lang yan, sagot pa namin ang last monthly payment mo basta on time ang pagbabayad mo. If you want more good news, please like, follow, subscribe, and share our video to join our Balik Eskwela promo until July 31, 2024. Namimili kami ng 10 lucky winners na mananalo ng GCash Low. Kaya ano pang hinihintay? Come and visit our store located at Liwag Building, Burgos Avenue, Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija. See you!